Hello, my dear students. Hello, my dear warriors. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you. Let me know quickly in the chat box. And there is a very important update regarding the DNA batch. And this is for all the students of NEET 2026, whether you are a 12th standard student or whether you are a dropper student. Yes, just one second. Yeah, so whether you're a 12th standard student or a dropper student, this update is for you. And this is definitely going to bring up a lot of smile and, bring you a lot of happiness and joy. Because if you are not so confident of getting a seat this year and maybe taking a drop, and you are also concerned about the money aspect, sir, I don't want to spend lakhs of rupees or even thousands and thousands of rupees. But I want the best teachers. I want the best content. I want everything hard copy with online classes. I can't travel. I don't want to travel. I don't want to waste my energy. I am comfortable at my home, and a batch with proven track record of producing neat results this year, almost like 1,200, 400 doctors we are going to produce. So we got student who got 99.99 percentile in physics in such a tough paper in NEET 2025. We have students who cracked biology olympiads. We got couple of students who are about 600 plus in this difficult scenario. And we have countless stories where students who got very low marks or very low rank, I would say, got better ranks this year and are confident in spite of the difficulty of the paper. They were able to crack it because of the preparedness. And this year, it's going to be even more intense preparation in our DNA batch. So what's the quick update, sir? Please tell me. Okay. Hi, Rabali. Hi, Shruti. Good evening. I'll tell you the update now. See, many students were asking us, sir, give us more material. Sir, give us more hard copy. And I know soft copy might be there here and there, but it's difficult for us to go through the soft copy. It's strenuous on our eyes because we are watching online classes. Number one. Number two, can you give us an entry point? And number three, can you give us some more amazing stuff clubbed together? So we have heard you. So let me tell you what that thing is. So as you're watching this video, just go down into the description box and you will see a beautiful link out there. Yeah. Can you see that link? Let me just probably move little bit aside over here. Yes, I think now it's fine. Okay, so now you'll be able to see DNA batch for 2026. Just click on this particular link. Okay, so it will open up. Yeah, everybody can see it. Perfect. Now, once you open this link, earlier, Tattva books were not there. So we have added Tattva books also. Yes, Tattva books also are now going to be made available along with the flashcards and all India level test series. This is very, very crucial. And you can see the batch start date is 21st July. And it's not like you're going to miss a lot of portions. The batch has just started in May and it's barely a month of portion, which you can definitely cover up in a beautiful timed manner. And I will tell you how you can do it once you are a part of the batch. I will conduct a strategy session for covering your backlogs. But the main important thing is almost like 80 to 90% of the syllabus is still there, which is live. Okay. And whatever portion you might miss, don't worry, we'll do it live only in one shots after the syllabus, that first round of syllabus is done in the month of November or December. So we'll start with that. Okay, so you are going to, in a way, get all live classes only for all the chapters. Even if you have missed the portion, you'll get one shots towards the end. Having said that, this particular batch obviously has live teaching. It's got in-session notes. We teach on a very big board. Okay, so you don't miss out on that experience. Also, you have class test, revision, and mock test with all India level testing. All this happens online. But sir, in offline, offline as in hard copy, what I'm giving you is our coaching module, Tattva modules. It's not one or two books. It's like a bundle of books. Around 20 books are there. These 20 books full of theory, problems, PYQs, and a section which will challenge you for difficult paper. Everything is there in Tattva books. If you master this book, there is no way you can get less. Sir, can you save more time, sir? How? See, don't waste time making notes. Don't ask any topper. I am giving you flashcards. These are tiny, tiny flashcards. Entire concepts, diagrams, neat labeled graphs, everything are there. Formulas, you name it. You don't waste time making notes. This flashcards, physics separate, chemistry, biology separate, will be couriered to you along with the Tattva books. Isn't this amazing? And not just that, we are also couriering AITS, All India Test Series 180, where you get hard copy booklets of tests because your NEET exam is offline, pen and paper. So you get that feel, sir. So the test papers is couriered along with OMR sheet also, and solutions also are made available. So you will feel like you're writing the real NEET 2026 paper. And these are all fresh content designed for 2026, 2027 aspirants. So if you are a student for NEET 2026, this is the combo that you should be looking for. And the update is that we have created this combo freshly for you, because many students are loving this combo and they were asking for the Tattva book. So Tattva book, the flashcards for quick revision with the hard copy test series and OMR sheet, with the already wonderful DNA batch with proven track record of NEET results, with live classes, revision, class test, notes, and everything. Look at this. Look at the number of features. VBuddy, pedagogy, Telegram groups, previous recordings, analysis. Everything is there in this, and the entry point is 21st of July. So I don't want you to miss on this. So please check on it, and of course enroll now. Okay. So anything else that you would love to ask, please let me know in the comments. I would be very, very happy to help all of you. So that was the update regarding the Dr. NEET Aspirants DNA batch. Okay. So this was your Captain Shreyas. I hope you make the best decision. Do not wait too long for the counseling, because again, it will just delay your process. Already students have started studying from the month of May itself. Many of them are droppers too, because they already know what might happen and what might not. So don't officially wait for the counseling to end. If you are sure that you will not get a good seat and you want to improve your chances, even if you are taking a partial drop, guys, every day, every week you lose, you're losing out on couple of marks. And you know, couple of marks means thousands of ranks. So dive in and make the best opportunity. And we have already made videos regarding how the demo of the DNA batches and how it is inside. Everything, we have made videos on that. You can check it out on the channel. But I'm pretty sure you will all enjoy it. And I will wait to see you all in the DNA batch. Okay. Bye bye. Have a great